My Science Project by Malina. The population of Sunbeam City. As you can see from the following graph, the population of Sunbeam City is increasing very fast, and every year more people are coming than the previous year. The population from 1960 to 2000 has gone up from 150,000 to 1,550,000. That is over 100%. The population from 1990 to 2000 has gone up 82%. That's a lot. I predict that by year 2010, there will be 2,500,000 people in Sunbeam City, and by year 2020, I predict that there will be 3,500,000 people in Sunbeam City. Sunbeam City's water supply. If more people come to Sunbeam City, it means they're going to need more water. As the city grows and more people come, they're going to need more water for everyone. I think that Sunbeam City will soon run out of water because they're using more water than what is being replenished. So I think that Sunbeam City should make a rule of how much water they can use to water their plants and like their lawn or whatnot, so that everybody has enough safe drinking water. The advantage is that everyone will have enough safe drinking water. Disadvantage, you might have to limit yourself on how big your garden is or whatnot. Pollution in the atmosphere. As more people come to Sunbeam City, there will be more cars, and if there are more cars, then there is going to be more carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide mostly comes from car exhaust. In high concentrations, it is poisonous to humans. To reduce the amount of carbon monoxide, they could only let people with even numbers on their license plate to drive on even days of the calendar, and same for the odd numbers on the odd days. If people don't like it, they could make a public transit like Bangkok's BTS system. The advantage would be less carbon monoxide because less people driving cars. The disadvantage is you wouldn't be able to drive your car anytime you want to. Another thing that would help reduce the amount of carbon monoxide would be if you're going a short distance, you should try to bike or walk. The advantage is that there's less carbon monoxide. A disadvantage would be, well, I don't think there actually is a disadvantage other than people might not do it. These are some of the air pollutants that have gone up since the population has grown in Sunbeam City. The particulate matter has gone up 91%, the nitrogen oxides 7.5%, carbon monoxide 28%, but sulfur dioxide went down minus 4.5%. I think the reason why sulfur dioxide went down is because sulfur dioxide dissolves very easily into water, and since there's more people, there's more water, so then most of it probably dissolved into the water. I think the reason why most people like to live in Sunbeam City is because 300 days out of the year is sunny. The climate is in between mild and dry. Mean monthly temperature and precipitation for Sunbeam City. The data that I used to make this presentation was from the university scientists.